The Azimuth CMM is not only Aberlink's largest in their range of CMM products, but it is the culmination of over 20 years' experience and excellence in the design and manufacture of innovative metrology equipment. The revolutionary bridge of the Azimuth incorporates aluminium honeycomb sheets developed for use in Formula One and the aerospace industry. The remarkable stiffness to weight ratio that this provides gives the Azimuth an edge in both performance and speed. For a machine of this size, the Azimuth is not only fast, but extremely accurate. The drive systems designed for the Azimuth offer simplicity and reliability, and the novel system used on the Y-axis ensures that there's no degradation of performance across the full range of machine sizes, offered up to 3 meters. A big machine should also be able to measure a heavy component. Rather than simply increasing the depth of the granite table, we offer a specially designed load plate to sit on the granite base. This plate can accept up to a 6-ton load, which will then be transmitted directly through the feet of the machine bench, directly to the floor. Just another really clever idea. The Azimuth CMM is supplied with the revolutionary Aberlink 3D measurement software. Designed around a graphical interface, Aberlink 3D can work in 2D or 3D on manual or CNC CMMs and is equally at home when used with either touch, scanning or vision systems. Aberlink's revolutionary measurement software provides the user with a powerful yet easy to use solution for inspection measurements.